Hey, welcome to The Creative. This is Don. The Creative is a podcast about sharing one's artistic and creative expression through storytelling, music, and poetry. Sometimes it is difficult to find a time to be creative, let alone express oneself creatively, which is what we'll be working on here. Welcome to The Creative. Today I'm going to be talking about creative spaces. Creative space is a concept embracing the mental, physical, and emotional concept in which creativity operates. Creative space is a concept rich in opportunities and possibilities. Or is it possibilities and opportunities? Either way, it's rich in possibilities and opportunities. Creative space isn't something that can be given. It's something that you have to go and carve out and make your own. You have to create your own creative spaces. And I'm not saying that it's going to be easy to carve out your creative space. Hence the word carve. It is going to take time and effort to carve out your creative space. Remember, it's your creative space. Also, I'm not saying that creative space is something that you can buy. Maybe you can, but it'll be more beneficial if you were to create it yourself. It'll give it more value. So here are 4 types of creative spaces. Number 1, space for inspiration. Where are the spaces that inspire you? The spaces that get the creative gears turning. Number 2, space to think. Where are the spaces, or what are the types of spaces that help you think, that clear your mind and allows creativity? Number 3, spaces to share and collaborate. Where are the spaces that you can share what you're working on, to get feedback and to collaborate? Number 4, spaces to learn. Where are the spaces you can go that provide you with useful information that can help you further your craft? Remember, creative space is a concept that embraces the mental, physical, and emotional concepts within which creativity operates. One of these places can be having clear thoughts. It could be sitting in a noisy room or sitting in a quiet one. It could be staring at a blank page or watching YouTube, maybe even watching cartoons. Your creative space or creative spaces are yours. So I recommend going back and skip through the previous episodes of the podcast and pull out the information you need to help you carve out your creative spaces. If there's anything I missed or anything you'd like me to cover, let me know. You can find the podcast Instagram page at _thecreative._, which I'll link below. You can find me at Don767 on Instagram as well. Subscribe if you found any of this information useful. And also, let me know if you would like to see any of the other podcasts that I made previously as a video as well. Now, next week, I'll be talking about the creative process. See you then. Thanks for joining.